great distances, others planning well in advance. To be here for this shared vision.
Better together.
What we need to focus for the future. Let's create the future together.
We've had a partnership with you guys for 3 years now. It's been a bit of an up and down journey. There's been lots of challenges, but lots and lots of success, more success than challenges.
And we're definitely excited to see where DTF Station goes from here.
My purpose is all about one thing. I just want to be what I